What's up, y'all? It's Wednesday. Let's start there, okay? If you are new, welcome. My name is Zelda Nadine. Welcome to my channel. It is the place to be, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification because you don't want to miss out on any of this good content. And everybody else, please go that is subscribed and watching this, go back into the subscription part of this channel and hit the bell twice so you can get the post notifications, because for whatever reason I am getting information in inbox and DM saying that they're not getting my video. So if you can kindly do that for me. I'm gonna open up some windows, well, some curtains and things, because I need some light in here. Not even going for it. Anyway, here's what's happening, okay? And I'm gonna keep it all the way real, because you guys know I feel like things are just in a full whirlwind situation, and I've made the decision that I'm just gonna clean the house. Let me get in a better mood so I can restart this week. So technically it's Wednesday, but it's Monday for me. Monday and Tuesday out the window. Today is Monday for me, but you're Wednesday. Y'all my besties, so why not tell you the truth? I don't feel all the way together, okay? Somebody told me that something is retrograde. I don't even know if that's true. You know, it's just I'm not routining, to say the least. Friends, this is what's happening.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live.
I'm at a point, y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't want any more colorful towels. Don't give me colorful towels. I'm about to toss them. Colorful towels, printed towels. Give me Auntie Grandma vibes. Y'all know how I feel about Auntie Grandma, right? Peppermint. Pass the peppermint till you be quiet at the church. Her. Because the fact that when I was putting in my towels in the laundry, I'm thinking, why do I have so many mismatched towels? Like, it's just mismatch. It's doing all the patty whack of nothing. You know, it's just doing things. I'm like, I don't like that. Give me a good neutral. Give me some neutral waffle towels, neutral colors, some basic colors. You know, Auntie Grandma always gonna have a towel on her. If she don't got nothing when you go and take a shower, she got 50 million towels from 1970, 1965 that she done had and accumulated, that she can look and say, hey, I got that over here at the Sears, when Sears was still here, or the Hackingers. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want that for my closet, because right now I'm in home edit edition Zelda Nadine. Go ahead and toss all my towels. Get brand new ones, you know. Give me an excuse to go to Target. Okay. God, no, I got me a new air fryer. Okay. Now I think I'm the shiggity, because I think I'm somebody because I got an air fryer. I'm not saying I'm able to really use it per se, but she thinks she's somebody with this Crew and GG double barrel air fryer. I wanted to support the black men, so I went ahead and bought that. You know what I'm saying? Here's the deal, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. This is what we giving, okay? I only use it a few times, you know. I burned some fries. I don't know how we burn fries in this, but you know, I've been trying to bless people with air fryers because I think it's like the best thing in my life. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook me a little breakfast, because I feel like I want to be at the IHOP. I just want that type of breakfast.
You wanna spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go.
It's about to be on. She be like, one of these days I'm gonna pull up while you be like, hold up. Is that what you gonna be in your car somewhere? Might be at Starbucks. Hold up. What? It's my sister, yo. Hey, Ziri. Hey. Y'all better like, click, and subscribe. Like, click, and subscribe. Just try my makeup and everything will be on point. Y'all better like, click, and subscribe.
4 to 6 weeks later.
What's up, friends? First, before I get into it, I know it's been a minute. All my besties, y'all know who you are. Beauties and Cuties gang all day. Love y'all. Love seeing y'all. I know you haven't seen me because it's been about 3 weeks. It's been a while. Since I've been and talked to y'all. Since been on the good internets. I got some explaining to do. I know I do. I have some explaining to do, so let's get into it. So, for the last 3 weeks, since I put up my last video, between 3 weeks ago to now, right? You had your Mother's Day, you had all the things, you know, holidays in between. But I also sat myself down because I felt at the time when I sat myself down that I was like, I started to do the 1-2 with myself, having a one-on-one conversation in thine head. Sometimes when you're not in a good space, it's not smart to pick up your camera and talk. I'm just telling you, everybody don't need to know everything. In that being said, hope you guys can forgive me and keep watching and all the things. And another thing, for people that were saying, where's the videos, DMing me, texting me, all that stuff, where's the videos? I'm back. Don't worry, I'm here, I'm ready to rock and roll.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time
I made the decision today. I said, you know what? It's Tuesday. I want some tacos. I came up with this crazy idea to do sweet potato nachos. I'm using sweet potatoes as my meat portion, and I'm putting that on some chips with all the fixings. What? So my question to y'all is, when y'all first got your air fryer, if you had an air fryer, how many times did you do trial and error for certain recipes? Because I figured that I'm having a lot of error. Not a lot of, not a lot of good things. Now, my burgers are finally coming out right. But when it comes down to potatoes and things like that, I'm not successful, friends. I'm just not successful. I'm not even gonna lie. We're not successful there. So it's crispy on the outside. Oh, y'all see that steam? Y'all see the steam. Crispy on the outside, but it's like real mushy, and I didn't mean to do that. See, it's not giving me crisp. It's giving me Thanksgiving mashed potato. That's what it's giving me. It is the next day. I haven't talked to y'all all day today. I'm just cleaning up my makeup station from doing this face. Just to let y'all know, these lashes that I have on these are by Kiss. There's the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up XL collection. I like them. I used to wear 25 mm's, and I stopped wearing them. I started wearing like 21s, and I think I'm gonna start getting back into 25s. I don't even have no liner on. Like, I like these lashes a lot. And I got these at CVS. CVS, friends. I'm going to give my video over to my son because he wants to talk to you guys. Yeah, and this is going to be the only and rare time that you'll be able to see him having a conversation with y'all. Because clearly, he has something to say.
I'm Terrell here, and right here, I am left-handed or right-handed. But it still does not matter because it does not matter what hand you are. Hold on. Okay, so this is Thomas. I'm gonna color him. Yeah, his face is gray. The hands are dark gray. It can be black, or it could be black, white. Before red crayon, or just red. You can do scarlet or red orange, or just red with pink. It doesn't, or red violet. It does not matter which color your train is. It does not matter. You're just having fun.
It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Just sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
So we got a private bowling alley. Nobody's in here, so we got it privately. So this is our favorite. He hot. Hot.
Open!
Losing.
Open! It's an open!
I'm only a couple up. You're losing a little bit.